Hey guys, how are you? Alexander here from the Sartorial Armenians, and today we're going to talk about how to do the 4-point or crown fold. We had somebody on Instagram ask us how we folded the pocket square in our last picture that we posted, so I thought we'd do a quick video here and show you how to do that. So today we're using our nostalgia pocket square, and to fold this, all you need to do is flip the pocket square upside down and turn it about 45 degrees so that you've got your first point at the top here. Next step is to bring the bottom point up and place it right next to the first point like this. Then you're going to bring both the left and the right points in as well. So let's get this one, and then we'll take this point like this and position it right next to it, and then take the last point and position it right next to it. So we've made our 4 points now, and the tighter these are together, the better the effect will look in the pocket. And then the last thing is just bring these sides in like this, and then simply roll, and then you're ready to place it in your pocket. So guys, all you have to do, take the pocket square like this with our folds, and simply tuck it in and adjust our points so that everything shows through nicely. And there you have it, the 4-point fold.